Hey guys, I'm Paul from Renovation, the custom homes, and the host of The Art of Renovation. I want to show you this project we recently wrapped up. It's a whole home renovation. We're very proud of the results. There's some really great details within this reno, and overall the client, they really like that mid-century modern feel. So that was really the source of inspiration for the design in this project. And as we tour you through the spaces, you'll see how that is incorporated within the work that we've done and the design elements. So overall, we renovated 3 of the 4 levels of this 4-level split, and we replaced the flooring, trim, and paint throughout the whole home. On the lower level, we renovated what was once a powder room with an adjacent closet, and now it's a 3-piece bathroom with a nice walk-in shower. It's still a tight space, but we've done some great things in there to help kind of maximize efficiency of the space. So, a really nice end result down there in the bathroom, and provides a great useful space for the family on that lower level. Up here on the main floor, we've renovated the kitchen, dining room, and rear entry to create a more open concept. Here, the dining room previously had a wall that divided it from the kitchen and really made it segregated, blocked off a lot of the light, and really impeded the flow within the space. So now we have a nice open concept kitchen area. We've gone with an island concept where previously there was a peninsula that kind of blocked off the area and created a bit of a challenge for flow through the kitchen. So here we have a nice island, nice and large workspace. They've gone for a downdraft range vent. This one has a nice pop-up unit where it'll do a better job of venting and helps to protect from splashing over onto the countertop behind the stove. We also went with a 2-tone design within the cabinetry. Again, really going with that kind of mid-century modern tone within the cabinetry. We've got a nice rift oak finish on the wood grain components. Also within the niches and cubbies that we've built here, gives some nice depth and interesting design. And we have a nice clean white cabinet door, no profile, flat, and really creates a nice interesting look to the kitchen and really stays true to, you know, that mid-century modern design era. Within the countertops, we've gone with the quartz. We have a nice waterfall end, which really gives a nice design detail. The backsplash tile, again, kind of has a retro feel to it. Works well with the coloring in the space. We've actually reused some of the original lighting from the home here because it was the appropriate design era. So it's a nice thing to be able to reuse a product from the original home. And the rest of it, we redid the lighting grid with LED pot lights, or panel lights as they're called, and provided some LED under cabinet lighting to really provide good task lighting for the space, and nice ambient lighting as well, and creates a focal point design wise. I really like the use of the black sink and faucet. It really pops, and again, just interesting little design aspects like that. We also added an addition to this home, and it was intended to be a space used by the family to be kind of where the outside comes in. So somewhere where they could have lots of light. We have large windows and a large folding door system that gives them a 10-foot opening to the outdoors. We also have one of those folding window systems here in the kitchen. So to really open it up to entertain and to feel like the outside is right there for them, you can open these large window and door systems up, and it's a great way to feel like you're connecting to the outdoors. On the outside of the home, we've used shishigi band siding in combination with some hardy panel. Again, really gives some nice texture and contrast within the way the space is finished. Overall, we're really proud of the end results. Again, sticking true to the mid-century modern design and feel within the home. And it's just a great finish for a great family, and we're really proud of the end results. I'm Paul from Renovation, the custom homes. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels.